In a world governed by the laws of nature, our happiness is deeply intertwined with our alignment with these inherent principles. Attempting to go against these laws only leads to discontentment and inner conflict. Nature's laws are immutable and eternal, like the ebb and flow of the tides or the cycle of seasons. We may try to defy them, but ultimately, we find ourselves at odds with the very fabric of existence. Our true purpose is to understand and accept these laws, to live in harmony with them rather than against them. In embracing the laws of life, we find not only happiness, but also a profound sense of connection and belonging.